In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get trading cards on Steam. First, sign into the Steam client or the website. In the top right corner, click your username and choose View My Profile. From your profile, you can open inventory to see any cards you already own, or go to the badges page to track your progress towards sets for each supported game. If you're not sure which games drop cards, open a game store page and look under features for the trading cards tag. That tag means the game participates. To actually earn cards, just play eligible games. Cards drop at random based on playtime. You don't need to complete missions or unlock specific achievements. As you put in hours, the game will occasionally grant a card until you've received about half of that game's set. If the set size is odd, you'll usually get one extra. You can play multiple supported games and collect drops in each, and you don't have to do it in a single session. The important thing is that the game is running through Steam while you're logged in. Once you've received your playtime drops for a game, you become eligible for random booster packs for that title. A booster pack contains 3 additional cards and can help you finish a set. These packs are awarded at random over time, and staying active on Steam improves your chances. Your Steam level also increases booster pack drop rate, so the more you level up, the more often you might see those packs. When you've collected a full set for a game, head back to the badges page and craft the set into a badge. Crafting gives you profile rewards such as a background and emoticon, along with experience points that increase your Steam level. You can craft the same badge multiple times if you gather another full set, raising that badge's level and earning more XP. As your Steam level grows, you unlock more profile showcase slots and customization options. If you're looking to add funds to your Steam wallet, sell extra cards, emoticons, or backgrounds on the community market, that's how you turn duplicates into balance. Finally, you can use gems to generate more chances at cards. Convert spare items into gems, then use the booster pack creator on the badges page to craft additional booster packs for a specific game, or bundle gems into sacks and sell them if that's more profitable for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.